hello. Good morning. Once again, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time, we are preparing for departure. Talisay for Cebu. Bird for Alpha. This is in the radar, yeah. We are here and this is the corner of the bird here. We'll be going there outside. Yeah, there. Bring that outside. And if this we are here, we will be going there. No ship on bird Bravo. This is Alpha Bravo in the corner there. Going outside there. We will engage later. Yeah, we will engage later. This time my teammates is my handsome chipmate. This is my handsome AB. Oh, with coffee. Starbucks. That's my junior cadet. That's it. So we are now letting go lines up station. Yeah. And remaining one spring forward. Chip plus 5 chip. Ikaw na magmando. Gawin mo P5 chip. Dito ka ako dyan. Sige, dyan ka. Tingin ka sa gilid.
P5 now, sir.
Hindi makita, masilaw.
P5, sir.
Okay. Nag-8 plus 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10, sir. Stop bomb.
Huwag mo, ano yan, ang ulo mo ganon.
Still P5,
Liko-liko, ganon, saka dito.
P5, thank you.
Tapos,
Forward distance, bound to bird. Still P5, sir. Plus 10, sir.
very good.
5 meters. Still P5, sir.
Very good.
Plus 10, sir. Stop bomb.
Makita.
Still P5.
Toto starboard.
Starboard. Still P5.
May truck yan, chip pala. May truck ito, hindi lang makita. Sa seating. Hindi lang. Hindi nakikita eh. Dito kasi walang truck ito kahapon eh. Diyan mayroon. Tapos na-display namin kagabi. Display. Meron na? Sana. Hindi nakita. Ano kulay green?
Magenta, sir. Pwede man maliit.
Diyan nga ako. Hindi, mayroon dyan. Dito ka sa kabila.
Pwede green, sir.
4-0 na?
Oo. Ayun, sir. Yun.
Di 5-0 na. Di, pahiram dyan.
Ayun, sir. Green na, sir.
So this. So this is it, yeah? Confirm. That's it. That's it. That's it. Doing it.